Dronecloud is working with Network Rail to build the UK's first drone hub for critical national infrastructure. Located at the Birmingham Rail Operating Centre, the hub is designed to accommodate multiple drone platforms and use cases. From drones as first responder to asset inspection and logistics, the centralized hub allows pilots and traffic managers to safely coordinate flights across an entire region, paving the way for beyond visual line of sight flights at national scale. A key need for such a hub is in the fight against railway crime, which cost critical national infrastructure £1 billion over the last decade. Let's see how drones trialled at the BVLOS hub have already proven their effectiveness. At a recent demo, a drone was scrambled to help the British Transport Police locate and apprehend a trespasser. Using Dronecloud's uncrewed traffic management system, the BVLOS hub ensures that all flights over the network are deconflicted and safe. The Network Rail drone searching for a trespasser is safely managed in real time, allowing multiple simultaneous flights to be safely coordinated. The target is acquired and police move in to apprehend. Back at the drone hub, route control managers and police can safely reopen the adjacent track to rail traffic. Working together with the CAA and Network Rail, this demonstration was initially delivered with visual mitigation as a stepping stone on the journey to full BVLOS in an atypical air environment. Dronecloud, delivering the full potential of drones for critical national infrastructure.